Here are the sounds of Sri Lanka on a quiet evening around 5 o'clock. You can hear the call to the temple, and everybody's very quietly having their dinner, apart from the motorbike going past. He's late for dinner. So this is where we're staying, in this lovely country road. It's very beautiful, and one thing you may notice down here is that it's so clean. Sri Lanka is such a contrast to having been in India. Right from when we were picked up at Colombo Airport, or Negrombo, all the way we drove just over 2 hours to get to our hotel here in the country. It's up in the hills, and the whole way, even through the city, it was so clean. Like, we never saw any rubbish anywhere, and it was such a contrast, because honestly India has a major problem with not only pollution but a huge amount of rubbish, especially plastic bottles and things like that. It's just everywhere. So here is such a delight, because it's just pristinely clean, even when you're out in the countryside. So I've just got someone going past here, and yeah, so I've just been for a little walk, and it's just so lovely. And this is where we're staying. This is in this beautiful private hotel. So it's owned by, it's a private family hotel, and the people here are so kind and generous, and that's another thing we've noticed so far. We've only been here 2 days, but the Sri Lankans have always got a smile, no matter who you are, where you're coming from. And one of the very first question, of course, is, where are you from? So when we tell them, they always say, oh, that's a nice country. So yeah, it's really nice. And so this is where we're staying, and we'll just see if we can get some more information or more things tomorrow. We might be going on a little outing in the area, so we'll sign off at sunset, listening to the sounds of Sri Lanka.